Hi, I'm Anita from Crafts by Anita, and welcome to episode 28 of Anita's Vlog. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, join the Discord, the link to that is in the description below. If you'd like to purchase some handmade crochet and knit items that I've made personally, you can visit my shop at craftsbyanita.com. Anyway, hopefully the noise that is outside is not coming inside because it's really, really loud. I don't know what they're doing out there. It's just being ridiculous. Anyway, I'm currently trying to catch up yet again with my temperature blanket. I'm just going to write the temperatures down I have for July until I can get June completely done. I've got 2 total weeks done on June and I need to get the rest of them finished because it's like I got confused last week. I ended up putting July, one of the July dates onto June, and then I caught it completely after I had finished the knit part. So I had to frog back the knitting, had to take apart the June block that I did, and then attach it to where it needed to go. And then I had some issues where I did the high temperature and then decided to slap the border on it, and I'm like, that's what I fixed this morning, and I'm like, this is, you know what, I just need to get June done, get it off my desk, out of the way. But right now, I'm currently trying to finish this prototype bag that I'm making, and it's got some issues, but you know what? That's the things that designers don't tell you, is the issues and the problems that come up. You get an idea in your head, and you start working it, and then you get so far into it, and then you come to a section, and you think it's going to be awesome, great, nobody ever thought of this, and then you messed it up. I mean, it's not really messed up, it's just not right. But they don't tell you that designers make mistakes. I don't have testers. It's like I don't even know how to get testers. Okay, so I'm doing all of this on my own, going through the pattern, getting it, and I'm not just gonna sit there and write a pattern out without me doing it, you know, and then just send it off to whatever, whoever, and then they come back with all these problems, and it's like, no. I was like, I'm gonna make this pattern, I'm gonna work it myself, or write it as I go, and then I'm gonna have to fix it after I get this one done. I'm currently trying to work the sides just to get it finished and sewn up and figure out. I know one problem, or actually, sorry, 2 problems that I have with it. They're easy fixes. I wasn't thinking about it beforehand because I'd never done a bag like this before, and I have not seen a bag like this before. That's why I want to get it correct. That way I can show it to you guys in a tutorial and have a written pattern ready to go. That's why I'm going through this and why it's taking so long, because I want it to be right. I don't want to be, pardon the language, half-assed with it. And I don't want to write the pattern, do half the project. Oh yeah, it'll be fine. Throw it out to testers. And then, like I said, them coming back going, hey, this isn't right. You know, I don't want to make more work for somebody else than I need to make for myself. That's why I'm going through it, working it, and the next iteration of it, I will fix my issues and get it ready to go, which probably be another month or so, because I'm still trying to currently move. My real estate agent has not gotten back to me today. She knows Monday is my only good weekday off, and it's now after noon, so I don't know if she's going to call me today. If I don't hear from her by 2, I'm gonna give her a call, because this is ridiculous. My lease ends in a month and a half, and I really don't want to pay month to month because that's more expensive. So that's what I'm going through today, and it's like I've had a whole day already today trying to pay my car insurance. Website wasn't working since Friday. I called the people that I go through, and they told me, you're not the only one that's told us this. And I'm like, yeah, this is ridiculous. So I paid it over the phone. That's good. Bills are caught up. I'm just like, can I just win just once? Just once I want to win, just once. And where are my manners? I would love to say hello to all 72 of my subscribers. Love you guys. Appreciate you very, very much. So I'm going to sit and I'm going to get to work on this. I got one more bottom flap to do. And then I know I need to make 2 more flaps on this, but I need to get those sewn up first. So I just attached and did 1 row. I need 15 more rows to do it, and then I will get it and finish it hopefully today. It's not perfect, but it works, and it will work perfectly once I get the problems fixed, like I said. So anyway, I will see you later on. So a lot has happened since I recorded that first bit on July 14th. So how I said, it's like, oh, I wish I could move. I want to move. Well, that's happening. And you can't really tell with the chaos behind me. I've been working on packing. So, yeah, I'm moving everything. I'm trying to get everything sorted, ready to go. It's just been chaos since the 17th. So I have been completely stressed out, which is making me not feel good. That, and it's been like excruciatingly hot, so it's making me cranky. So making videos was not on my docket at all, because I was also trying to handle everything while I'm at work, and it's too much. It's too much. I'm just hoping that I could just get a little reprieve, just a little bit of a reprieve. I've got some stuff I've got to take care of today, and I just wanted to get this vlog up that should have been out last week, which it wasn't. And ironically, those wristlet patterns weren't supposed to show up on YouTube yet. I pushed it back a week so I could finish the pattern. And then I was like, that Thursday night before I went to bed, I'd remembered earlier, I was like, yeah, I need to like push those back another week. I forgot. So they're out and into the world. I've got the pattern mostly done. I have pictures I need to put into the document, and then I can get those up on my Gumroad page. It's just been my brain is fried. So this is going to be one of the absolute shortest vlogs, and I'm going to start shooting another one right after this, as soon as I get this one edited and uploaded, which shouldn't take very long at all. So yeah, hopefully I lost some subscribers, but you know what? That's okay. I had things going on, and I'm just trying to get through it. So I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.